Hey everybody, Bob Jarzynski. I am a patient here at We Grow Hair Indy, and I've come now for a few, 3 or 4 months now. It's my third platelet-rich plasma treatment, or PRP. Super excited to get that today. I just looked under the microscope, and they basically showed me they got some new hair growth coming. What I have is thicker and stronger, and I'm noticing that. I go to the barber a lot more often now to get it done. He even noticed that I'm having a lot more hair growth, and just overall pleased with it. Super excited, and I'm going to go get that third PRP. Hey everybody, it's Bob again. I just finished my third PRP treatment. Went super smooth, super quick, able to get in, get back to work. No problem. The folks here, the staff is amazing, totally friendly and make you feel at ease and very professional in what they do. So I'm excited. I'll be coming back for my fourth one here in probably about 4 or 5 weeks, and hope I can see the same, if not better, results that I'm seeing today, which again, I'm very pleased with how this is going. I'll see you then.